Just finished resurfacing this engine block, so I'm going to show you how it turned out. Finished this late last night around 2 in the morning. You'll notice that I didn't cut past this point. This is where the injection pump goes. Ian was saying that would probably be an issue to cut that lower. This is, you know, the deck where the head goes on. You can see how good the finish turned out, or poor. I don't know. Do you think it looks good, or do you think it turned out poorly cut? It definitely turned out a lot better than when I cut it at high RPM. It helped for me to do a roughing pass and then to go over it, just do a 1,000th cut on my last cut. Feels pretty straight. So the reason why I cut this was because I had to have this sleeved. When I got it back from the machine shop, there was dips in between each of the cylinders. That was about 2,000ths that I was able to measure with the feeler gauge. It's pretty straight here and here, but the dips were concerning me, so I just wanted to go ahead and surface it, and I didn't want to have to bring it to another machine shop. I already have a machine that can do this, so I decided to just mount this to the table, and then we surfaced it. I bought that cutter right there. I paid $250 for this 9-inch cutter. It's from Deca. I think it's called a B52 fly cutter. There is a way you can closely look at how deep the cut is in it and stuff. You know, I don't have a tool like that, but I think this will work fine. It's just for a lawnmower. It's a 4-cylinder Kubota engine, but it's in my Jacobsen lawnmower that I got that's got a 12-foot deck on it. When we bought this, there was all kind of crazy stuff going on with the engine. The valve seat was not even in there, so like somebody had went through the engine, somehow it still ran and everything. The crankshaft was pretty scarred up on the main bearings, and the head was cracked real bad. Just kind of crazy stuff was going on with this, and the cylinders were scored, or one of them, or maybe all of them. I can't remember. Anyway, so we are rebuilding it. We had it sleeved and putting new pistons in there. We would have been better off to have it bored out and use bigger pistons, but Ian didn't know that at that time. So this is what we're left with here. So this is ready to be rebuilt now that we've got this surfaced. It may not be the best surface, but it's at least flat, and I'll add some copper coat to the head gasket. So by that time, it should be pretty flat. Put in the comment section if you think this turned out proper. This is the first time I've ever done this. You know, I've had engine blocks machined by other people before, and they did a good job. This is just how this turned out when I did it with my machine with this fly cutter. You can see those little, it's almost like a little vibration there or something, but I don't think it's going to be a big deal. This is my first time resurfacing a block or any engine part. What I noticed really helped with this is to do a quick roughing pass so the speed was much quicker. And then I took the bit, changed it to a cleaner side, and then just started a 1,000th pass that was on a new edge to finish cutting it. And I'm cleaning off where it's building up these cut chips. I clean that off so every often, and then I just re-oil it a little bit more to keep everything ready for the next pass. So here you can see where it was cutting really rough, and then this 1,000th pass is cleaning it up.